Hello guys, it's been a year since I last uploaded a video on my YouTube channel. I'm sorry it took me long enough just for me to settle, and I got busy to manage to make a video. Anyway, today is going to be a bit of coding. It's going to be about encoding and decoding. We're using Huffman method. What I have open here is Xcode. If you have a Mac OS like me, you can use Xcode or similar. If you don't have a Mac OS and have Windows, you can use Visual Studio. Main language here is C++. Here, as you can see, we can go over the code here. We can explain right now. Right here we are including some functions, especially having the vector for dynamic arrays and the albit set for binary representations. You use namespace std to, we don't need to write output std and something like that. Here we're making the template called with a class. We call the class mapping. We always include the private and the public. With this returns. Here we can check if the key exists, and here we return, and this will return it. In Huffman there's a trees, so we always have to construct a node, and this is the node I constructed. And here we use a comparator for the queue for priority. Now we create another class which is called Huffman coding. Always try writing something in the private, as you can see here, and somewhere there we have the public, as you can see right here. On public we can train the nodes and convert it into a bit, and here is a constructor, and here we're creating a constructor for the input string, and over here is also a destructor. Now we open a function called void for count frequency to count the frequencies that are out. Here we print the frequency. Over here we are building Huffman, building the Huffman tree. We're doing a while output inside, and another if statement, and we also do another function called encode to encode the letter we write, as you can see here. Here we are another function to print the summary of all, and also here to decode it. First we saw it encode, and now we have to decode. And over here, once all of this is done, in the main function here, we display the input, what we need to tell. Sorry if I explained it bad, but this is my summarized version. Let's run it. Let's run over here. Build succeeded. Once it's done, we drag this up. Let's do it here so we can see the whole function. Please enter a string to encode. Let's say, hello, this is a test. We press enter, and this was the results. We have the counting frequencies as seen here, the binary coding, the Huffman coding, and the summary, which is separated by character, frequency, the Huffman, the space, and the savings. It's an interesting project if you want to learn C++. I recommend this. Thank you guys, and hopefully I will do more videos in the future. Thank you.